Last year, our 3-year contract ended. We were given another 3-year contract. Then, they discussed, they said, by this year, they will absorb us. Fenye hii mwaka ilisha, they never absorbed us. They want to extend their contract. Some of us are reaching. We are almost our retiring age and still in contract. We are just telling the government to absorb us.
47 years old right now. There are some of my colleagues who are 50 years and 45 years. And now, if I will be put on a contract extension, I will be 50 years. It means I will work only for 2 years or 3 years before retirement. And there is nothing I will take home.
I are saying health facilities that are closed. And I want to say UHC staff have been doing a lot of work. They have been the backbone of work in this county. And today, even the facilities that are still open, we have very few staff. We are here in solidarity with them and say, enough is enough. We want Minister of Health to go back to national government because county governments are proved not able to run Minister of Health.
Haya, nago